Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for business. First, understand that Notion provides a versatile workspace where your team can centralize projects, documents, and knowledge. It's designed to be highly customizable, allowing you to tailor databases and pages to perfectly match your unique business workflows. This flexibility significantly enhances collaboration through real-time editing and shared access, making teamwork much smoother and more efficient. Notion offers powerful features essential for any business. You can effectively track projects using dynamic Kanban boards, timelines, and gallery views, providing clear oversight of all your initiatives. It's also excellent for managing customer relationships. Build custom CRM databases to organize every interaction. Furthermore, you can create detailed wikis and knowledge bases, ensuring all company information is easily accessible to your entire team. To truly streamline your business processes, Notion is invaluable. You can automate many routine tasks by leveraging Notion's integrations and template buttons, saving significant time and effort. Setting up robust content calendars becomes simple, allowing you to plan and track all your marketing efforts with precision. Plus, custom dashboards and reports enable you to monitor team performance and project progress effectively, keeping everything on track. For advanced strategies, consider integrating Notion with other essential tools, such as Slack or Google Drive, to create seamless operational workflows. Dive deeper into its capabilities by utilizing advanced formulas and relations within your databases for powerful data analysis and insights. And for those moments when you need to step away from the screen, remember you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.